In the last episode of Nalacharitam, we heard that a special character, Narada, was bringing good news of Damayanti living in Kundinapuri, the proposal for Damayanti. And now Unnai Variyar seems to explain to us what happened then to Nala. Nala, the son of Veerasena. Kundinapuri seems to be related to Kundi Devi, who comes originally from Mathura, where she was born, but adopted to Kundinapuri and later became the mother of the Pandavas. Whatever the full story, let us see what Unnai Variyar wants to tell us about Nala's situation now when Narada bringing this new proposal for Damayanti to Kundinapuri. Here is a sloka again from the poet who tells, after having heard this, he became more anxious and in a way distressed, because he had already heard about this girl from the passengers or caravans who passed by his town. Here is the Sanskrit Malayalam slogam Purvam Satva Bharatim Naradiyam. Bharatim Naradiyam here means the words of Narada.